So, good morning, honorable present here. Course name 24 ITO 201 software testing, open elective, third year, sixth semester, and unit number 4, test management, reporting test results. So, most important of the topic in every sector, like mechanical engineering, software testing, software development, or banking sector, or any other retail shopping process. If any other sectors, this reporting is the most important. If suppose buying any one of the product and give a report or give a report how many product selling per today, how many products selling per tomorrow and day of tomorrow. So this is a report so that they easily buy more than product from our customer side. The same in development sectors, the report side by side you have prepared your document about the development of software. So once as a manager, I am manager. We have uh, 5 members of my team. If any one of you left from my team, so new joining of my team, I give what I give to the person. So this is a report. The report I give to person and read out after the start procedure from my development after completion and get approved from myself and management people. This is easily understands what's going on my project in the software development. So let's go to for next one. So this is a software testing report. First, compiling tester data, and second one, analyzing test data and communicative test data. So first thing, combining test data, whether the product is pass or fail, and after the if any defects in the area, please find the defects and give solution or analyze our feedback and give to same department, rectify and give one more process. And coverage, this is the most important. For example, path coverage or any other product, insurance coverage or any other product based on that one, and give to a particular person and rectify and return back same process. And analyzing test data, high level summary and detailed insights, environmental details. So these are things and analysis of data. High level summary, whether passing or not, or whether it's higher level product or lower level product or mid level product. This is one of the things. Second, in detail insight means so more important particular sectors in your area for based on your product. For example, this is a small product. So this is how to prepare. The manual procedures are available after completing your solutions. Suppose the same software development, what are the needs or requirement, what are the requirements are needed, and what are things are to be done in your area in the sectors. This is a way to important thing in the sectors. So second thing, communicating test data, raise the readiness and data-driven decision and actionable recommendation in your area. This is communicating test data in the software testing reports. So this is the thing. Test report component. First thing, test summary and execute metrics and defect details and test environmental and coverage analysis in the process. The test summary, high level overview of the testing process and goals and results and execution metrics based on total test cases, number of executed, pass and fail and blocked. At defect detail and list of bugs and found categorized by severity and priority, and test environmental information on the hardware and software and network configurable, and coverage of analysis percentage of requirement of code covered by test cases. This is a test report components. So this is the thing. How to effective report test. results. For example, target audience and use visual and provide context and clear conclusions. The target audience, so tailor the report detail for developers. The developers can read out, and if any doubts, you can ask them to your process. You use visual, you utilize charts, graphs, and heat maps to quickly communicate trends and defects distributions, and provide context and defect what was the tested based on version, future, and the overall scope. And clear conclusion state whether the product meets exit criteria and provide recommendation of release in the sectors. So test reporting impact of software development. The based on we have three part of a process. One is user churn and visibility. Sorry. First thing, cost effectiveness. Second thing, release readiness. Third, user churn. And fourth, visibility. So cost effective, maintain the development budget based on your area. Second, release readiness, ensure the product quality. Third, and improve customer retentions and enhance project control. Each and every manufacturing industries are testing software development sectors to each and every monitor and control what's going on my project today and day after tomorrow. So this is a relative cost of fixing defects. For example, 1% of based on design, 6.5% of implementation, and 50% of testing, and 100% of maintenance. So overall process about our testing report based on your maintenance. So this is a we have implement two app install, one in uninstall within the first 30 days due to lack of user experience. Suppose I'm using last week I have implemented um, scanning. I need a scan purpose. I have implemented a scanning software. So easily is easily uh, useful for myself because the user interface is easily acceptable and also easily scan every document within a second. So this is one of the process. Another one, if you don't want anything, any app, I have immediately uninstall a particular process. If any struggle or if any unrelated documents are published, means immediately uninstall your process. This is one of the way testing of my reports. So this is one of the way. Test a report from high level detail analysis. So one first thing, um, starting from test summary report, test execution report, defect report, traceability matrix, and performance test report, security report, and recursion test report, compliance test report, and user acceptance test report in your area. This is the way easiest one. First, provide a board of view of testing activity and track the individual test case progress and status and document identify issue and their solutions and map requirement and test case for coverages and assess the software performance under the law and under the load and identify vulnerability and security threats and summarize impact of changes of functionality and ensure adhere to regulatory standard and document user feedback software readiness. This is the overall process in test report. So this is a test report based on that one particular process. So test objective, area covered, area not covered, and testing approaches, defined report, platform detail, and overall summary. So this is my activity. So first prepare the test summary report and understand how to summary testing outcome based on your using 50 tests. Check your cases. 40 passed, 8 failed to block defect around 15. This is a based on for student learning how to structure a professional report in the area. So this is my MCQ. What is the main purpose of test reporting, and which of the following include test reporting? If any one of the answer. This is my mind map based on test summary report, defect report, and status report, and visual reporting in the area. This is my textbooks references. Thank you.